Be informed. Be alert. The information you need to know about COVID-19 vaccine. Right here, right now, on THEVAX.
In the ideal sense, ang aton nga ng mga surgical masks are single-use, no? So supposedly maghaboy ikaw sina or you are not supposed to touch this area of the mask because amo na siya ang ginawahan mo. So you should assume that this area is dirty. So when you remove your mask, sa earlobe ka lang na dapat makapot, then you fold it, then you put it in a container. So be it a paper bag or a plastic bag. And the same way, you mag-uba ka sang gloves mo, supposedly ang contact surface ni mo na siya makaputan. Then you put it in a container, you seal it, and then it's supposed to be disposed properly. Diri sa ospital, no? So we segregate our garbage, no? Kung ano siya, no? Kung infectious waste ba siya, dapat gina-consider na silang infectious waste and should be disposed of properly.